This is a how-to for attaching rail supports. Use masking tape on the area that the rail support will be attached to. This is to help protect the powder coat and allow you to visually see the location of the part. In this example, I am marking off where the holes should be drilled for holding a 3-inch gap between the floor and the lower rail. Note, always refer to your railing system drawing for the correct dimensions. Now use a center punch to mark where the holes need to be pre-drilled. Using a drill and the centered punched holes from the previous step, pre-drill 2 holes. Note, your post will already be attached to the deck or surface at this point. This video is just used for visual aid. At this point, you want to remove the masking tape. I will be leaving it on for visual purposes. The next step is to attach the lower rail support to the actual post. You will need an impact drill, a number 2 square bit, and self-driving screws. The screws will be included in your purchase. This is how you attach a rail support, and in the example, I'm showing how to attach a lower rail onto that rail support.